What's going on, everybody? I want to review my trade today, and that's NIHD. And the reason I want to review this trade is because it's very similar to my other trades. If you look at my other videos, you'll see these videos pretty much show this exact same pattern most of the time, because there's only a select few patterns I trade. So over time, you'll start to pick things up. But if you look here, it's a breakout over the past, since 2016 really. So there's no resistance until 2015, and the volume's not really there, but there is resistance for quite some time. So it's something to pay attention to. You'll see here at 570, and it topped out right at that level. So it's a reason why there's resistance, right? Now that being said, it is breaking from 470, so there's about $1 of upside, which is great, and I saw that opportunity. Unfortunately, the way I traded it was not so perfect, and it's because I had an IT guy come to my computer and give me a new keyboard and mouse, and while he was doing that, it was spiking, hitting the levels that I liked, and I just sold it out of sheer pretty much excitement and emotions. And that's something I don't like to do. I want to make sure I'm trading based off the chart and with the plan in mind. So it came up to the resistance and failed, and if I would have stuck to my plan, I probably would have got some, maybe in the 550s. Sold, actually. But to go over this, I actually saw this right here when it was at 490. Pretty much a straight up spike from 430 to 490. Okay, so I'm being careful about the stock because the breakout here is 475, right? So that being said, when I'm watching it today and it's already at 490 it's not a straight up spike, but it's gradual, right? And it continues this gradual, which is nice. You know, you can use this previous support level. Like if I would have bought right here in the 480s maybe, because it broke the 475 level, well, I'd probably feel comfortable risking the 450 zone but really it's not really a strong support, right? Because it hasn't really held it for multiple times. It's still uptrending, so I'm waiting for a good pullback. I don't want to buy here because then I would have to risk at least 40 cents maybe. So what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for an opportunity for this to consolidate. And here's a consolidation. We get some consolidation right here with a low of 472. And it consolidates for about, what is this, 909 till 920. So for a good 10 minutes, it consolidates. It looks like it's going to break through, doesn't, then looks like again, doesn't, looks like again. Then it reverses right here on this uptick. And I bought some. I bought half size right here, and then I bought another quarter size right here, trying to get to full size, but I did not get it. And then it spiked right up to 494. I sold a quarter size right at that spike because I didn't like how it was failing. It looked like it was going to fail. I just did not want to take the chance. Came back down. I stuck to my plan and risking this level in the 470s. So at this point, it's staying in my plan. I'm glad I did because it starts to come back up. And it broke through, and I sold some more right up here at 503 and sold the rest at 520, which is right when that situation happened, and I just forgot my plan. So no big deal, but it happens. So that's something to pay attention about. At the end of the day, it's a good setup, it's a good chart, and it's still holding above where I bought. I bought right here at 480s. It's at 530, so if I would have held all day, I would have been fine, and that's something to look at because they built new support levels. This is a strong stock. It's been building new levels. Now it's a level of $5. So I'm watching the stock. I don't have a plan right now because, you know, the original plan should have been sticking to this plan and selling a little bit along the way up and then holding the rest overnight, or at least selling it all up here and then rebuying maybe at 507, you know, risking, or 560, somewhere right here, maybe even 513, risking the $5 range, maybe even buying to the close. But I just don't like this setup too much right now because I felt like I was trading it up the wrong reasons instead of me trading this well and then being in the stock, because then it might have made sense to buy some more right here. But at this point, I just stuck with my plan, and I just want to show you guys why you need to stick to high odds setups, especially major daily breakouts, because they tend to go more, and I wouldn't be surprised if this tests 560 again. So I hope this video helps you guys out, and you guys take care.